Hi students, I hope you have downloaded the materials which I have uploaded on the site, and you have take some glance and studied about something. Okay, so here I will start the discussing the topics from starting. Okay, so your chapter, as you know, that there is the force and pressure. The force, that term is not new for you. You have also heard about this force. What is force? You have idea about the how many types of forces you have studied in your class 6 and 7. Okay, so here we will start the force with the basic definitions. As we know that force is nothing but a type of push or pull. So every time we say push or pull, so what does that meaning of push or pull? In my view, the push or pull is nothing but the applying of force, or we can say this is the movement of object in a certain direction. Okay, movement of object in a certain direction is called push or pull. Okay, and due to this we are applying the force. So the force is the nature in the form present in the nature of push or pull. Okay, so or we can simply say that the action of push or pull, the body gets motion, and it is due to the presence of force. So force is measured in its magnitude, and it also have the direction. Okay, so direction in the means each and every time you know in which direction you are applying the force, or on particular object or in the particular body in which direction the force is applied. Okay, so suppose that if you are moving, if you are pushing the object, then that in that condition the object will be moved forward. If you are pulling the object, in that condition the object will be moved towards you. So that is simply the direction. So force comes with the magnitude as well as direction also. Okay, so here you can see I have drawn some blocks with the surface. Okay, here you can see push, we are applying the force, pushing the block forward. Okay, and this is the pull, that means moving the block towards yourself. Okay, so here I have tried to just give you the explanation about the what is the pull and how I have related this push and pull with the direction. And depending upon this we say that the force is always have the magnitude and the direction. So you can see here push means you are just pushing away the blocks or moving, that is forwarded, moving the block in the forward direction. And pulling means you are just pulling the block or moving the blocks towards your direction, that means towards yourself only. Okay, so simply you can also correlate this with the left or right. Suppose that this is moving to the right side, and in this condition this is moving to the left side. Okay, so force applied on any body depends on its direction also. Okay, here I have taken a block mass m. Okay, we are applying the force a b c d. So on any block if you are applying more than two forces, okay, two forces or more than two forces, so in that conditions the body will move in which direction? So whichever the force will be greater, the body will move towards that direction only. So how we find this? Because this is the summation, algebraic sum of all the applied force on the particular object. Suppose that if you are pulling something, that means that a string is also applying their own force, but at certain time that started breaking. Okay, because their strength is losing out and your force is more than that force. Okay, also you have a idea about the tug of war game. Okay, in which you are pulling some rope with the help of four or five friends, both sides, whichever is the stronger side, they pull the rope on the their side. Okay, so the nature of direction of force, positive, that means pushing. We have taken push as a positive and we have taken pull as a negative. Okay, so that the exact force is always the algebraic sum of all applied force. Algebraic sum means simply we are adding all the force with their directions. That means if they are moving right direction, that is a positive. If they are moving left direction, that is the negative. In that condition, suppose that if a is 10, b is 20, c is 30 and d is minus 5 or 5, in that condition we can take simply if this is 10, this is 15, this is 5, this is 10. Okay, so here we will simply put the 10 plus 15, this is the minus 5, and this is the minus 10. So simply we can say 10 plus 25 and minus 15. Okay, so this is the 10, and the direction of force will be the positive side. Sorry, that means this force is larger, that means it will also help to move the block on the right direction only. Okay, and start studying from the books if you have downloaded, or in that time I will also upload the materials. Okay, so you have given the 4 pages, you have to just learn about that all. After that I will start discussing the next verse also. Okay, thank you.